Hello. How's it going, everybody? Assalamu alaikum. Peace and love. Hope you're doing well. So, I know in our writing culture and community, we have a lot of people that have a lot of questions about how do you start, what do you do, how do you do what you do, what's your starting point? So, as I had to rock a nice little poetry hat, hashtag Poetix University. Check them out at Poetix U on IG. I'm one of the professors over there as well. But yeah, they gave me this fantastic poetry hat. Finally, loving it. But yeah, so the things about how I start, how I write and stuff, right? So for me, I like to do a lot of things with focus on memory, like sensory details, like more showing versus telling. So I like to try to my best, if I put myself in whatever I'm writing about, I try my best to remember all the details and try to talk about it so that whoever can read it, whoever reads it or gets to hear it, can also go to the same place or to a similar place that I was in as I'm writing those pieces, or re-experience some of those feelings and moments that I felt and experienced. And that's really how I go about my writing. I'm always focusing on, okay, what were the colors, what were the smells, what did it look like, setting up the scene and the stage so that you can really visualize the chunks of where it was, or the emotions that were being felt, or like the mental psyche that was going on. So I think, me personally, I think there's an art to science, there's a science to art, as well as a psychology behind everything, right? I think we don't talk about that enough, but it is a real thing. But yeah, that's how I navigate a lot of the things that I do when I'm working and I'm writing. I always start from places of the smells, the feels, the emotions, the energy, what was there, what wasn't there. It's kind of like memoir writing, if you think about it. Very, very specific memories and moments, and trying to capture a moment and really articulate that moment. So, I think like a cool exercise to do, like the next time that you're chilling, or you're at like a park, or you're somewhere, like give yourself maybe like a 2 to 10 minute, or anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes for a quick write exercise, and just be as descriptive as possible about like everything, all the energy you're taking in, all the things, the sights and the smells that you're taking in, and try to describe it all in those 2 to 10 minutes, and you'll see what you come up with. And that can be like a first draft of something really powerful. And then from there, you'll retweak it, you'll edit it a little bit, and all that other stuff. Actually, we could make that a workshop in the future. But yeah, that's some of the things that I do when I'm getting work done and I'm trying to figure out how to do things to the point, I can produce some of the works that I produce now. And then when I'm working on books like Love Over Lust that's coming up in the future, you'll see a lot more of that in the other book project that's coming around the corner. So stay tuned, and we will see you soon. But take care, have a great day.